Hey guys, Jamie here. Welcome back to the channel where we take awesome out of the box and to the first day of community quarantine for Metro Manila. Now, I know medyo hassle, madaming restrictions, hindi tayo makagalaw like business as usual, pero this is what's needed to help stop the spread of COVID-19. Now, definitely we're not going to be talking about tech in this video. We just want to share some tips with you guys for working at home and a couple of other things that might be helpful for this entire month. Anyway, before we get to all of that, guys, Leia, the team, and I just want to wish you guys well. Again, please take all the necessary precautions to protect yourself and your family. Don't panic, no panic buying, and don't hoard, please. Just think about the people who don't have enough cash to actually store up supplies for this entire month. Magtulungan tayo lahat, guys. We can all get through this. Anyway, guys, it's gonna be a long month, and some of us have the privilege of working from home, but that doesn't mean that, productivity has to stop. We still have to earn some money, and fortunately, Leia and I, the rest of the Unbox team, have some experience in that. I have been working from home for 4 years now, so hopefully the tips that I share with you in this video will help you out. Now, the team and I actually put together a great list that you might have seen on Instagram already. There's an article by John on the website, but I'll just cover 3 of them for this video and then a couple of more things at the end. So tip number 1, guys, for working from home is actually pretty simple. Pick a spot in your house that when you sit there, all you have to focus on is work or your studies. Now, you've seen our work areas in all of our videos. Hindi naman kailangan may separate room kayo, guys. It can be a spot on your couch, on your dining table, or whatever. Basta, pag umupo kayo doon, yung gagawin nyo lang magtrabaho or mag-aral. I know it sounds a little oversimplified, pero trust me, guys, when you sit in that spot, and you know that you have to focus, it really does help out if you're working from home for the very first time. Again, you're trying to build a structure for yourself during this period, so that will definitely help you guys out. On to tip number 2 is actually making a checklist. Now, you don't know me personally, but ako, guys, hindi ako masyadong organized na tao. It actually took a lot for me to be able to work from home, and checklists are one of those things that really helped me out. There's actually a YouTuber that I'm subscribed to. His name is Matt Diavella, who has a great video on how to create checklists for your day-to-day life, and it's actually helped me out. Now, Leia has done that for a long time. She has a type A personality. Don't tell her that I said that. But anyway, yeah, she's very organized. Ako, hindi masyado, but when I saw the value of making checklists and just being able to track my progress throughout the day and ticking off na, oy, may nagawa ako, was actually a great encouragement to get the ball rolling. So definitely making a checklist will help you guys. I'll leave a link for that video of Matt Diavella somewhere down below or maybe somewhere on screen. Again, watch it, guys. Actually, subscribe to his YouTube channel. He has a lot of videos for improving your productivity, which has helped me greatly. So I highly encourage you guys to check out his videos. Okay, tip number 3 for working at home, guys, you check in and check out at the proper times. It's gonna be hard to focus at start because there are a lot of distractions. Nandyan yung kama mo, baka gusto mong mag-siesta, may Netflix, may PlayStation, may Switch. Everything is a distraction. Kung gusto manood ng YouTube, sobrang dali lang kasi may Wi-Fi kayo. But yeah, you have to check in at the right time and check out then at the end of the day, because you're at home, you want to spend time with your family. You do want to have that border for work-life separation. It's very, very hard when you're working at home. So again, just focus on the tasks at hand. Take a break every now and then. Again, we have an entire list of this on the website. I will link it in the description box down below. Hopefully, it does help you out. And yes, I've oversimplified this list, but these are just some of the things that really help me out and help Leia out. If you have tips on your own, guys, feel free to share them down below. I'm sure someone reading the comment section will appreciate it. But yeah, those are our simplified tips for working at home. Of course, meron din tayong tips to get your essentials and your grocery because you don't have to go out. I know that malls are going to be closed, pero yung supermarkets, groceries, and pharmacies, yung mga Mercury Drug dyan at saka Watsons are going to be remaining open. But syempre, you want to minimize your outside time because we are trying to socially distance ourselves from other people to help stop the spread of the coronavirus. So you can actually order your groceries and everything, your supplies online. We have an entire list on the website. Once again, Dewey put together a great article of 10 places that you can actually buy your groceries, your essentials. Kasama na dun yung Lazada, meron si Walter Mart, I think. may boozy in case gusto nyo ng alcohol. Kids, huwag kayong uminom, please. This is not an excuse for you to go drinking in your very own home. But yeah, there are ways that you don't even have to go to grocery to get your food for the day, or even like your toilet paper. Guys, again, kung mag-hoard kayo ng alcohol, wag, please think about like the frontliners who actually need this, or yung naka-ration ng water, hindi sila makahugas ng kamay all the time. Kailangan nila ng alcohol. Don't hoard alcohol, guys. Please lang. But anyway, the links will be down below for the article that Dewey made on the website. You can check it out. Again, if you want to add to that list, comment lang kayo sa baba, guys, because any information that you can help spread to our friends and anyone who's watching this video will be a great help to them. So medyo nag-change na yung lighting because I actually forgot to record this part. But guys, this is also a fantastic time to enroll in online payment solutions or enroll in your bank's online banking platform, because again, you're trying to minimize your time outdoors. Huwag kayo pumunta sa mga bayad center. You can all do it online. So you can use PayMaya, and again, whatever bank you're using to do all of this. I think you can pay for your taxes via PayMaya now. I'm not sure. I'm gonna have to look into that. Don't quote me on that. But yeah, and while you're at it, kids, if you're watching this and your parents aren't as tech savvy as you are, take this opportunity to teach them how to do it. But please be patient, because again, they might not get it as easy as you do. And I'm speaking for experience here. I had to teach my mom how to use Viber and how to use her online banking and stuff like that. And yeah, it takes time. That was not what they did in their generation. But again, this is better late than never. Do it now. Limit their exposure from going to the bayad centers. But yeah, enroll in your online banking platforms and online payment solutions. And yeah, get your groceries online. The third thing that I want to share in this video, guys, is just because we're on lockdown, that doesn't mean you can't level up yourself for when we're not in lockdown anymore, because you can add value to your CV or your bio data, ano ba tawag ngayon, to your resume, when you go out back into the world and back into the workforce. Now, Carlo has been teaching his 7-to-1 principle for the longest time on his channel, and I completely believe that. And this is also the perfect time for you to explore your passions and learn something new. Now, shameless plug, guys. I've actually been trying to learn how to bake. I have been making, isa pa lang, one video on my channel where I bake sugar cookies. I'm about to release another one where I cook banana bread. But everything I learned from YouTube. There's actually a wealth of information on YouTube. I know you know that. It's not all about tech reviews or entertaining channels that are here. I know that are a great way to spend your time and entertain yourselves, but there are a lot of tutorials that can actually add value to yourself. If not, there's also Skillshare, which I know you've seen a lot of sponsored content from other content creators. They are not sponsoring this video, but definitely yung mga courses nila, malaking tulong yon. Especially like for me, guys, I actually learned everything I know about shooting videos through YouTube and a little bit from Skillshare and other things. From shooting video to editing, I learned it all online. So you can definitely add to yourself, add a skill or just something during this time to keep yourself productive. Yes, medyo hassle yung month na to. You have to spend it at home. And yeah, you're gonna get cabin fever for sure. But let's look at the silver lining, guys. Let's make use of this time to actually level ourselves up, do something positive with it. Because again, kung nega lang tayo, ang hirap ng buhay. But yeah, hopefully those tips help you out. Again, if you have tips on your own, share them down below. That will be greatly appreciated. So yeah, we didn't talk about tech in this video, but hopefully I added some value to your day and you learned from the tips that I shared. And I hope you spend your time wisely. Again, be socially responsible, guys. I encourage you once again to just follow the community quarantine, even though medyo it goes against everything that we are as a human being. Now we want to break free from the system. But yeah, this is what we need right now. So I just highly encourage that you do it. But anyway, I hope you like this video. We're going to be back to talking about tech tomorrow. I promise you guys. So that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you for spending a couple of minutes with me. If you like this video, give us a thumbs up, sub to the channel, and hit that notification bell if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our content. If you have any questions or anything to add, where to shop online, tips how to work from home, leave them down below. I'm sure the community watching these videos will appreciate it. Let's keep it all positive, guys. But yeah, follow us on Facebook and Instagram. Yeah, my name is Jamie. Peace, God bless. I'll see you guys tomorrow for more tech videos. And guys, we're just praying for everybody. So peace out.